My name is Dave McCarty. I am one of the co-founders and the technical director for Fierce Beer. We found out from a fellow brewer about the nitrogen generation system. They raved about it, and so I thought something that we should look at to try and keep our costs down and improve our sort of environmental credentials as well. So we spoke to the guys at Full Circle, and it seemed like it was a really good option for us. We got us in touch with Pneumatech. When it came down to it, the price, the level of service, and just the expertise that Pneumatech had shown in installing these other systems meant it was a bit of a no-brainer for us to choose those guys.
Hi, I'm Craig Smith, Business Development Manager for Pneumatech UK and Ireland. Following a visit to one of our existing customers, Fierce got in touch to understand the potential of on-site generation here in Aberdeen. We calculated a system that was sized not only for their existing demand, but also for the future consumption, which resulted in savings of over £70,000 a year and a payback of less than 1 year. Another key benefit to Fierce is the huge reduction in the carbon footprint of on-site generation. This system alone is proposed to save 68 tonnes of carbon dioxide equivalent every year. Across 5 years, this equates to the same amount of emissions required to launch a rocket into space.
So Access is a product that we are bringing to market. It's a new product for us. It's something that allows the customer to have a lower barrier to entry, and it allows them access to the latest technology and products without having to think about raising capital expenditure or similar. So Access brings the opportunity to have the capital equipment within the monthly fee. You also get the service, you get extended warranty. Everything is completely inclusive, so if there's any issues throughout the period of the contract, we'll make sure that those are rectified quickly.
At the end of the agreement, whether it's for 1 year or 5 years, the customer has the choice to either return the equipment or upgrade to a smaller or larger system, depending on their current production rates, whether the business is growing or shrinking. This gives them full flexibility of their costs, energy saving and sustainability for the future.
The system itself comprises of a 22 kilowatt variable speed drive compressor, all of the associated filtration running into our high efficiency PPNG nitrogen generator. The system runs at 99.9% purity, which is fine for brewers to achieve all of the cost savings and their carbon footprint reduction without any impact on their DO.
So we use nitrogen for a lot of stuff now that we previously used CO2, from purging tanks, pushing beer between tanks. We got a new canning line installed tail end of last year, which we had set up to run on nitrogen as well. So having all this nitrogen on tap rather than having to ship it all in has been a massive thing for us, and really helped efficiency and cut costs within the brewery, which is a good thing. They helped us design the system, make sure it was good for what we needed now and for the plans we had to expand in the future. And what we had installed has been fantastic and has worked as we hoped and sort of as advertised as well.